Hey everyone, today we're going to explore a cool feature with MS Edge, and that's called profiles. What profiles allows me to do is to have different work environments or different multifunctional environments that I can use for work or for personal use, and I can separate those two with separate logins, and I don't need to keep on signing out and signing in order to switch between those two accounts. All right. A good usage as well could be where you can have different family members logging in with their own profiles and have their own unique experience. So let's see how that works. Sign into Edge with my profile, my personal profile. And if I click on my avatar, it'll allow me to switch over to different profiles. Those are my different profiles that I have. And yeah, I can just simply click on work. And once I click on work, you can see it takes me to a completely different experience, and I'm signed in with my work login details. Once again, I'm going to switch back over to my own profile, and there it is, a completely different experience. So how do we do this? Click on your avatar, and then you go to the bottom and you say add profile. And then you can click on add, and Edge will just give you some information about the profile, telling you exactly what you're doing and how you can sign in with two different email accounts to keep them separate. And so I'm just going to click on add. Once I click on add, it's going to allow me to sync my data. In that case, I can choose to sync my data with another account, Microsoft account or Gmail account, whatever you want. You can sign in there, or you can continue without signing in. And that's the option I'm going to choose now, just to continue without signing in. So I'm signing in the new profile, and what we can do from here is we can actually customize this so that I can have a personalized look and feel in my profile. In order for me to do that, I can click on the gear icon, and you can see I got several layouts for my page. One is focused, which will just give me a Microsoft background. I can have an inspirational, informational, or I can have a customized one where I can choose an image of the day, turn the background off, or I can upload my own image if I wanted to. All right. So that's one of the options I have there. And then I can go here at the bottom and I can choose whether I want my content completely visible the way it is now, partially visible, or whether I want just the headings only, or I can also turn the content off completely. All right. And if I go over here, I can collapse my quick links, and so my account or my profile can look personalized just the way I want it to look. In addition to that, if I go on there now, you can see my profile doesn't have a picture. All I need to do now is to click on my profile, go to manage profile settings, and from my manage profile settings, I go to my ellipses again, click on edit, and I can give this profile a name. Say for example, I wanted this for travel. I can give it a name travel, and then choose an avatar that I would like basically for that travel purposes. And there you can see my profile is edited, and if I click on my page now, I have my new profile loaded. The nice thing about this is it'll open up a new instance of Edge, and then I can choose. If I go at the bottom, you can see I've got a number of Edge instances open. This is my one for travel, and if I right click there on, I can actually go and I can pin that to my taskbar. So I right click on there, and I've got a pin to taskbar option, so I can click there on, and that will always stay on my taskbar, so I can switch between my work, my personal, my work, and my travel accounts all at once, just with one switch. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.